Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ha ka jinyalam u president uba Donald Rambai harangkat ka jinya trelang bat ka Ribhoi Weightlifting Association ha ka jinyalam uba Anthony Karnayor menta ka janmit ka nyau teri ubanai yayong hajar arpusan kila Pdiang burom ya Vikram Malik uba dei u co-founder ka Sportality Private Limited ha Circuit House Hanongpo kane ka jing Pdiang burom ya Vikram Malik kalong kum sibenta ban pankre ya ka jing Yakob rana kabala tip kum ka Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament kaban salong ha ka khatway bat khat artrik ubna yayong ha indoor stadium ha umlang kadai na kaliang u Vikram Malik ulapan pau ka jing sngo kemen ban ya don bentalang bat kani ka kunhun ban kentiu ya ki samla ka jela ha ki kam sports ha ka bay day bat ka kamra anar lane ka weightlifting ha ka kitin nong way ha ka ne ka sngi na lor ba Donald Rambai baru ba Anthony Karnayor lai don langru kit khot jong ka kunhun kumjuru ki rangba nong kit kam ka MSOA Meghalaya State Olympic Association
play piset media ki balai wan nang ne te mentak sngi ngidan hang ne po skadau so po DC office man pen bra ba idon ye don jingir akai jong ka Meghalaya weightlifting but ka company and sports talent sports facility talents but iyo Sir Vikram ba one for Delhi mena Sir Vikram iti ba page ini ka company par khaja po Meghalaya man kunno ban tenkiu ya ka weightlifting hapo rekasi jongi hapo saru sapo karo man tenkiu yang ta ka weightlifting kini kile ki menon man tenkiu menon ra kitia gitar ki ban ra ki coach ban ai ki kom practice na ru ki knarit ya ki bakan nang biang garta ting ai ki play ba ilawan welcome sir di belawan terasni ilapo apa i point ne sa buje no iwan ko dali te ngi ai ki play ba in sim ba i jet nang kong yangi na po riboy banila kai ya kane ga weightlifting nang ba nang ning sa separate sa baro wi kari kasi sa po barkat namar ba ngi tikyu kumnoy ko weightlifting tengah aku beli yang ni itan ibadib itan sekretari jengi nasional ibadib advisor juga ribuai ma canga weightlifting itan Anthony Karnayor ni ibadib presiden juga ribuai district te ngang ni lepak membatai syai ba ngilong badan bok napok ka Meghalaya weightlifting ngakum presiden bagila ya te menta bakane ka company sports talent ma namar ba in kiu gi kena hapori kasi jongi mar kumno bagi nak kai ni ka weightlifting bakane ka weightlifting kade ka papa ba hapo north east hapo India ro te ngilong badan bok bangila ite sekular bakane ka company bangin tray yam ta ban kiu ya ki kena nam ta ka sports te menta kan dot ke ke burom yi kum ke jeng burom bai lawan mi mo wan ti pejengai ba in kiu ya kam rekasi jongi barkat Meghalaya nam ta ka weightlifting bangin yo tau keluar benila kai hakan national hakan international hak wado hak olympic boleh ka Manipur kalau ijab apa ke Olimpik te mengi paling imla te kan sapoi ka por bangi ni sayo usko hek usok baba te mentang yang buram ya isa
Thanks to the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, President of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Donald Rambai, Mr. Depshawn, the Pdiang Committee Chairman from Meghalaya State Olympic Association, the General Secretary of Meghalaya Weightlifting Association, Mr. Butskem, it's a little difficult to pronounce the name, and the Secretary of President of RBWA Weightlifting Association, Mr. Anthony. So we are privileged to be part of this weightlifting event that we are organizing. Just to let you know, as Sportality is already involved in the talent identification of young aspiring athletes and talent across Meghalaya. So based on the data and the scientific analysis and the numbers and the results that we have found, weightlifting is the #1 sport that is, as per the evaluation of the data that we have gathered, weightlifting is the #1 sport for the current talents that we have identified. So there is a huge scope of growing weightlifting in Meghalaya. That is one of the reasons why Sportality is interested in doing this event. Going forward, we are interested in doing much more events at a bigger scale. idea behind doing this event is to ensure that the young talent get a chance to showcase their talent. We are able to identify more talent in weightlifting besides the talent identification program that is already going on. Not only the athletes, but also giving opportunity to the coaches to learn from the international coaching team that Sportality has. We have our director weightlifting, Mr. Robert Kabas, who is the silver medalist in Olympic Games. So there is an already ongoing weightlifting program. This is the super elite pathway program, and the weightlifters there are already doing great, showing great results based on their age. So similarly, we are looking at promoting weightlifting across Meghalaya and ensure that Meghalaya turns into the #1 weightlifting state within this region, and also later on it starts producing international weightlifters who go and represent India in international and Olympic Games, Asian Games, Commonwealth Games. So this is the long-term approach that we are looking at, but we are starting with Reboy, as Reboy currently has the major number of talents that we have identified, and we hope that with this tournament the talent is identified across Meghalaya, and we will in future we will also do similar events in other districts also to promote weightlifting and this will have a very good effect in the other northeastern states also. So we want to develop a system where weightlifting develops not only in Meghalaya, but also other states take example out of what Meghalaya is doing. So I thank the Meghalaya Olympic Association and the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association and Reboy Weightlifting District Association to give us this opportunity, and we look forward to turn this into a great event where not only the athletes are getting a chance but also the coaches. So we have a 2-day program. 11th we will be providing coaching to the athletes and to the coaches. There will be a coaches orientation program, and there will be a presentation for the athletes also from Mr. Robert Kabas, and also how athletes prepare in high performance sports, in high performance world, what are the protocols that are followed. So there will be a detailed presentation by Mr. Robert Kabas on this. It will help immensely all the coaches. It will help promote the knowledge base of the coaches, and it will help the athletes also. And on 12th we are going to have the weightlifting championship, weightlifting tournament, and we hope we are able to find even more talents by the end of this tournament. So thank you very much. Thank you to all you who have come here, and thank you once again to Meghalaya Weightlifting Association and Meghalaya State Olympic Association to give us this opportunity, and we look forward to have this long-term engagement with the Meghalaya Weightlifting Association and ensure that this turns into a great success story for Meghalaya in weightlifting. Thank you.
Liang Jawa, President yang ka Reboy Weightlifting Association, so sim kini kabu balai kejing kublai ya Sir Vikram melawan kenang hane apa distrik Kejungi, balik ka Meghalaya Weightlifting Association ke balai ni kelat bang pelong ya kini ka Meghalaya Invitation Weightlifting Tournament, hak bang ila khot soba kam leg open mana chu jit khot soba na ki Pratli district di mandan kembas saupo tam ke nong ila kai. But tiki tinggal kai kan sedang coaching berong isar, karui tarik, dan coaching berong sini, but kah tarik pada competition, lagi kan thai pada cenderang, tapi kan hadu sportly kategori. Dan nak kalian tinggi yang prepare dah kejing rap dengan Sportality ke ban kerjaan ini, dia bat kindan ke banyarap nak Assam, ke technical official angut nak Assam, minuan, ban dah kejing danang jong Robert Kabas kemudian mana di silver medalist jong ka Olympic, ban ai musim ini kena jingi ban ai kejingkai dengan khot giweru na ka Reboy Weightlifting Association khot giwer ki pai ba Ni kerpat ya pi peniwan ban witness kamtam haka atrik competition namar ke ribhoi ke number 1 haka state dengi haka liang ke lifting hadu mata last mile game yo santli ki gold santli serba ba atli ki bronze medal tingna ki sport ki kategori yo sport ki medal te nga kerpat ki peran kamtam ki bahajan dan player mawati mata ki dan apa ke tinggi rap besar woi na pams im pantai skam lingdo bat balawan shwa karkongor kita kidang rung apa kesep program apa ke tinggi punya Sportality bidang rung mentau sedam April tinggi ai keblai kirung ai keblai yusar ai keblai wadip ke jing sim khia ka MWA ban rung di khna ban dan ka scholarship of Arsenal manikai ki ban train ki bagian kiu chaprang tinggi khot ngiwer dak len tinggi ki pai ba bagian wan ka tinggi singi ka atri ka jing la kai ka sedang ka khui biji seneng khui biji jeng kan thai bat ar baji jeng senrang